In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a blinking effect to text or an image in Microsoft PowerPoint using the emphasis effect. Whether you're looking to grab your audience's attention or simply want to add a dynamic touch to your presentation, this guide will show you how to do it quickly and effectively. To get started, let's first open the Microsoft PowerPoint application on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, you'll want to navigate to the presentation where you'd like to apply this effect. After opening your chosen presentation, look for an area where adding a blinking effect would enhance your slide, perhaps on a key piece of text or an image that's vital to your message. Now, with your presentation open, head on over to the Insert tab located at the top of your PowerPoint window. This area is filled with tools that will allow you to add various elements to your slides. Here, you'll find options not only for inserting text and images, but also for embedding shapes, which is precisely what we'll do next. Click on the Shapes option. This will present you with a plethora of shapes to choose from, but don't worry if you're not adding a new shape. This step is simply part of preparing our image for the next phase. Now, once you have selected or ensured that your image or shape is placed correctly, go ahead and click on the Shape Format tab. This will reveal another set of options specifically tailored for tweaking the visual aspects of your shapes and images. Next, you will want to focus on animations, so click on Animation Styles located in the menu. This section allows you to add movement to your selected object, offering a variety of animation effects tailored for different purposes. What we're interested in for our blinking effect is found under the emphasis category, which brings life to objects through subtle yet effective movements. You should now have in front of you options like appear or disappear. These are your go-to settings for creating the illusion of blinking. The appear effect will make your object or text momentarily visible, while the disappear effect does the opposite. You can use them in succession to simulate a blinking light, creating the flickering effect we're aiming for. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully applied a blinking emphasis effect to your text or image in PowerPoint. Remember, practicing with these tools can help you become more comfortable and enhance your presentations creatively. Whether it is a one-time use or a recurring theme, the blinking effect is sure to keep your audience engaged and interested in what you have to say.